Kia ora, Carterton. What an amazing run of weather we've been having at the moment. It's great. I'm sure our local farmers will be smiling after the recent rain and all these wonderful sunny days following it, although that does mean I've got to mow my lawns, as you can see out the back. I hope you all managed to keep yourselves safe and occupied during the level 4 lockdown. My wife Maria and son Michael have been my cellmates as we've progressed through the lockdown. We've just been joined by our daughter Abigail, who's moved back home. Our family's been busy working during the lockdown. Maria's working from home, planning production for Carden's largest employer, Premier Beehive New Zealand. Michael's warehouse manager and Abigail's a forklift driver for the same company, so they're both deemed essential workers on site in Morden Road. Due to being immunocompromised, I've not ventured out our front gate for 6 weeks, which sucks. I've kept myself busy though, ensuring that my own company survives the lockdown, and with keeping myself updated and informed of council business with emails and Zoom meetings. I've also been enjoying baking biscuits and cakes, although now my waistline's feeling it. I've taken the time to contact many of our local sports and recreation clubs, firstly to introduce myself as a portfolio leader, but also to provide my contact details. I'm very keen to hear from those clubs so we can discuss any difficulties you may be facing. This will provide me with important information as the clubs try and move forward through the various levels of COVID-19, and I'll try reporting these to our governance and management teams. I'm really pleased to say though, Sport New Zealand has just announced today an extra 25 million available to the play, active recreation and sport sector. 15 million of this funding is going to be available for regional bodies and clubs through the Sport New Zealand Community Resilience Fund. This fund opens for applications on the 11th of May, so only a few days away. Check out their website to find out if your club or regional body may be eligible for support, and you can find them at www.sportnewzealand.org.nz. I've also been working with management and looking at the proposed annual plan for 2021. We've been provided with 3 options in regards to the rates increase. We're very close to finalising that decision, and I can guarantee your management and governance teams are definitely working well together, with our community's well-being first and foremost in our minds. I've also been added on to the wastewater treatment plant governance team. Stage 2 of this project is predicted to be completed in around 8 weeks, so that's great news. With the continued fine weather, this should be achievable. Stage 3 of the project is very close to going out for tender as well. This is Tessa. As we've moved into level 3 and hopefully then down to level 2 in the next week or two, we can all try and support our local businesses as they begin to reopen. We still haven't bothered with takeaways as yet, but I am looking forward to enjoying the odd fish and chip night, which Tessa and our other beardie Bailey enjoy as well. Well, that's enough from me. Keep safe, Carterton, and please don't hesitate to get in touch to discuss any concerns you may have. See ya.